Advanced Revenue Management Reports designed for expense reconciliation purposes. Okay, so the previous bunch of reports in the video I made was around revenue reconciliation. These next three now are about expense reconciliation. Alright, so just if I go and show you the sweet answer again, expense reconciliation, deferred expense waterfall summary, waterfall detail, expense roll forward. Alright, so I have opened these reports here. So here is your waterfall summary. Right, if you click on detail, you will see the detail which now splits that balance into the different transactions. You will see they balance 9167, 9167, and you should also see that that actually balances to the balance sheet 9167. Okay, and then we have the deferred expense roll forward report that starts with a balance, shows you your new transactions, adjustments, expense, adjustments, variance. Okay, and so let me just quickly say the deferred expense waterfall report reconciles the deemed deferred expense account balance on the balance sheet and provides a forecast of the expected expense stream. Right, this is the same thing, but the detail and then the roll forward is available when either the amortization or the advanced revenue management feature is enabled. You can use the deferred expense waterfall report to help reconcile the movement of costs from the balance sheet to the income statement. The report starts with the beginning balance and displays the activities for the selected period range to arrive at the ending balance. In One World Accounts, this report is intended to be run at each subsidiary level, right, important, in the base currency of the subsidiary. For an explanation of the variance column, see the deferred revenue roll forward summary report. The report displays the result of all transactions to use with permission to see it. Okay, so those are your three reports that are related to expense reconciliation.